Hi, welcome back. So first of all, I'm going to show you the content number 1, how to open Revit model in TwinMotion with direct export. Okay, so I'm going to the Revit file tab and then open to the sample file. I'm going to use BIM project Global Nugget. So this one, click open. This will take a while. Alright, so now I'm going to the 3D view. Okay, so right now I will go to the view tab and then the presentation panel. Because I already installed TwinMotion, so click to the drop down panel of TwinMotion, then I will click open in TwinMotion. So this is the first option. How can we open Revit model in the TwinMotion in direct way? Alright, so once the direct link notification is pop up, so we will choose the call list option. We are going to use keep hierarchy. Here got the 3 options, but we are using keep hierarchy, then click OK. Alright, so direct link is processing. Okay, so now this is the first option. We are using direct method. Import Revit model. Alright, so now I'm going to show you the second option, how to export Revit model to a udatasmith format. Then we import that udatasmith file in TwinMotion. Okay, so now I'm going to the view tab and then presentation tab and then the click on the drop down panel of TwinMotion. So here got the tool that is export to datasmith file. Just click on it, then we are going to export the udatasmith. Then you just click on the save button. Okay, so now I'm going to open TwinMotion software. Okay, so once you saw this user interface, you just click on the new scene because we are going to create a new, and then okay, you go to the import tool, then you just click on the plus sign. Alright, then you can, in the geometry tab, you need to open the file location. So I'm going to import the udatasmith file. You just click on the open, then we are still using keep hierarchy option for the call list, then click on the import. So data is importing. Alright, so this is the second option. When we cannot directly import Revit model in the TwinMotion, so we can use this second option. Okay,